feel the trembling tingle of the sleepless night grip through my fingers, and the moon is bright. Beams of blue come flickering through my window pane, like gypsy moths that dance around the candle flame. And I wonder if you know that I never understood that although you said you'd come, until you did, I never thought you would. Moonlight used to bathe the contours of your face, while chestnut haze all around the pillowcase, and the fragrance of your flowers rests beneath my head, a sympathy bouquet left with the love that's left. And I wonder if you know that I never understood that although you said you'd go, until you did, I never thought you would. Never thought the words you said were true. Never thought the words just what she meant. Never knew how much I needed you. Never thought you'd leave until you went. Morning comes and morning goes with no regret. The evening brings the memories I can't forget. Empty rooms that echo as I climb the stairs, and empty clothes that draped and fall on empty chairs. And I wonder if you know